Every day across Murray County, local businesses open their doors, ready to serve our community. Did you know there's a simple way to ensure your dollars stay right here in Murray County to support those local businesses? Welcome to the Murray County Local First Gift Card Program. Local First Gift Card Program is designed to keep dollars circulating right here in Murray County. Available in $10 and $25 increments, these cards can be used at over 70 participating businesses throughout Columbia, Mount Pleasant, and Spring Hill. Unlike traditional gift cards, every penny spent stays right here in our community.
So when you shop local, you're not only supporting me, you're supporting my family, but my employees who have families of their own. Your money goes back into this community, our wonderful small community that is so special, and I think it is so special because of the small businesses we have. I have made lifelong friendships that have been 15 years in the making just from having this business, and I feel like that has been the lasting impact on me that is truly priceless.
Murray County is our home. We bought our car here, we purchased our house here, we bank here. All the things that we appreciate about small town community lives right here, and we could not be more thankful to live in a town like Murray County.
When you shop local, what happens is that you support the building owner, you support the owner of the business, you support the employees of the business, you support the plumber that comes in and fixes the toilet. You support everything. And then, because they're shopping local, that money again gets recycled. And it gets recycled again once the people that they spend it on use it. And so the money just magnifies itself throughout the community.
And we've been able to employ people for 14 years. And so some of the local people all of the local people who are around here work for us. They're our team. They are part of what we've built. And we wouldn't be able to do it without them. And it also gives them an opportunity to stay in their town and be able to work here.
Well, when I'm strolling on 6th, I love to shop local because all these local vendors, when we support them, it gives them the opportunity to support us. It provides new opportunities, new experiences that we can have. I love to go down and go to the bookstore. I love some of the local restaurants. And what's not to love?
By choosing to shop local, we are not merely engaging in a simple transaction for goods and services. We are fostering growth, creating jobs, and fortifying the foundation of our community. These gift cards support businesses run by our friends and family, who in turn support our local nonprofits and source from other local suppliers. Ready to make a difference with your shopping, employee appreciation gifts, thank you presents, and so much more? Visit the Murray Alliance office in downtown Columbia or go online to purchase your Local First gift cards today. Keep your dollars local. Keep Murray County thriving.